today me and my family are at the mall and we're about to go get some journaling supplies. Then after that, we're going to go back home and show you how to journal, like actually journal, with the supplies that we bought. But before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell,
like, and comment.
Let's go. So we are here in the shop, and so far I have found these really cool washi tapes, and we're about to go find some more journaling supplies.
And I also found this Which one do you want? It's only $3. I'm just gonna get these two, so then later I can maybe buy fridge jars. This one's I'm just gonna buy these two. I'm gonna buy. I can look black and white. Oh no, I thought I was watching. Oh my god, no way. I'm just gonna get these two, so then later I can buy them.
I have also found this wood stamp set. So instead of writing it, we can use this stamp set. So it's like the alphabets, and you can just press it on this thing and then paste it onto the journaling page. Hi guys, so we are now here from the mall at home, and we're about to show you the supplies that we just bought from the mall and the supplies that we're going to be using from home in our journal. But before getting into it, first I'm going to explain what journaling is. Journaling is when you write about your day and then you decorate it with really aesthetic stuff like stickers, washi tape, really nice colored paper, and more. Like really nice fonts, like these. Like how we're going to be using these, and then we use it to like write the date, or like things you want to stand out more and make it more aesthetic, if you know what I mean. So I'm going to show you an example of what I've done before. So this one was talking about, a really fun memory, and I decorated it with some colored paper, and then I made some really nice fonts. I added stickers, washi tape, as you can see here, and circles, stickers, even more stickers.
So today we are going to make a blue themed.
So we're going to be using lots of things that are blue, like the blue washi tape,
and then like blue markers, like dark blue, light blue and stuff. Yeah.
So I have this kiwi fruit journal from Typo, and I decorated it with some letter stickers on my name.
And I also got this journal book from a present.
And then we have some pens that we have, that were from home. I'm going to be using this blue Crayola pen, this thin liner black pen, this dark blue pen. Then here,
I also have a Crayola light blue pen, this Milan Maxi marker, and this pencil.
Then we also have the washi tape. We both got the same thing. We got this from the mall. It was cheap, sort of. Then we have this wood stamp set of the alphabets. And then I have some scissors. And she has some scissors too from Smiggles. And then I've also got this blue stamp thing for these letters. So I'm going to be using this as well, and same as Jamila. Then I've also got this double-sided tape we're going to be using.
And these papers.
These blue pieces of paper we're going to be sticking on in our journal. So I've got this light blue one, this sort of dark medium blue, this white butterfly like textured paper, and then this floral dark turquoise paper. And same as Jamila, but she still has some things that I don't have. So she has like this little calendar one here.
And then using this dark blue thing I just cut out of my book thing.
And then I have this book, and it has like these stickers, and there might be like some blue stickers because there's lots of stickers in it. So we might look in that later if there are any blue stickers we could put in our journal.
I'm gonna test the paper for like colors.
Yeah, and we're gonna be using this paper to test out the wooden stamp set before we use it on our journal. So, what do you want to open first?
This.
The wooden stamp set?
Yeah.
Okay, sure. Okay. You have to peel the
Oh no,
tape.
from the top. From the top.
Oh, you do? Oh.
Yes. It's much better.
Yeah.
From the top.
True.
Ow. Ow. My fingers.
Oh, okay. Got it. So I've got the letters here.
Oh, I'm gonna get that.
And now I'm gonna get the stamp.
Ow.
Thing.
My fingers. I got it out.
How do you... There you go. Okay. So just put that on the floor. And here's the stamp thingy, ink thing. And now you just... Why did I smell it? Okay, let's just try it. I'm gonna spell my name. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna get P. Where's P? I'm blind. So this is my name with the stamp things, and I know my hands are pretty messy because of the ink.
Same as me, but then the A is upside down, right? Okay, let's move on to the washi tape.
Now let's open the washi tape. I'm excited about this. This is a lot of washi tape. So there's a red one, an orange one, a neon pink, a pastel pink, and another pastel pink, 3 pinks, a yellow, dark blue, light green, and dark green. We got the same one, me and Jamila.
Again? Did you say again?
No, I said again. Okay, wait. I'm gonna test out.
Let's see who can make the tallest building.
Tallest building?
Yes.
Okay, it's fine. I'm just gonna put it in here now.
Okay, I'm gonna flip it over. 3.
Okay.
2.
Okay, I'm just gonna put it in.
I got it.
Okay. Now let's get into like actually journaling. So now I've cut like this box, and now I'm going to peel the double-sided tape again.
I'm like almost done.
For some reason, it's really like satisfying for me when you peel the back of it, and it's really fun.
I'm
For some
gonna
reason.
use
So now we're going to show you the finished product, and Jamila's going to go first.
So first I have like a textured paper and then this white one with butterflies on it. I have this black sticker that says be yourself. I got some blue butterflies and I have some washi tape, and there's something I hid under this paper. It has my name on it, and yeah.
And the calendar.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to go.
I'm gonna hold your book.
Do you want to hold my book?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So here at the top, I've ripped out a corner of this blue origami paper, and I drew the date with a marker and then overlaid it with a black liner in cursive, and then I decorated it with some hearts. Then on the side I put some circles and outlined them with a thin liner. Put some washi tape. Some of them are black and smudged because of this. I colored this white piece of paper in with blue marker, and then I cut it out with this scissors. Then I put a sticker, some washi tape, another blue paper.
Paris.
I got another piece of blue paper, ripped the corner out. I put this textured floral paper. I put some washi tape, and then I actually did end up finding a blue, a blue sort of sticker in that book, and I pasted it over here. Then I put some washi tape here. Then over here I have a butterfly, and then here I used the wood alphabet print thing and wrote out blue theme because it's a blue theme.
Why would you stick it on with a glue stick? I thought it would be sticky.
Yeah, because it was a bit less, it wasn't that sticky, so I put glue under it as well. And then I decorated it with some butterflies. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching us journal. It was really fun. This video was really fun, right? Mm-hmm. And we had lots of fun decorating it. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell,
like and comment.
See you guys next time.
Bye.